Good morning, our YouTube family.
Did you say good morning, Baba?
Morning.
Morning. Very good morning to all our YouTube family. I hope all you're doing well by the grace of God. It's a very beautiful day, and today what we have is special that we have to go visit garden center to buy some plant. Let's see how it's going to end. We have only one plant to get, but don't know how much I'm going to end up with. I have no any intention to buy more than one, but let's see. And very special day for because I think so for the first time, Angel will be going with her Nana for Our Lady and to her friend's place, and she'll be visiting for Our Lady. The Our Lady is taking place, and it's a very nice feeling because I always want Angel to participate in this kind of things because as a kid when we were in Goa, we used to go for Our Lady every single day. Then used to come. It's good. So as I said, she's going for Our Lady because Josephine auntie is Mama's friend, so she will be going to their place where the Our Lady is coming. And Josephine auntie, if you're watching, thank you for inviting. And Steffi, Josephine auntie's daughter-in-law, she's celebrating her birthday. So very happy birthday to her as well. So Steffi, if you're watching, a very happy birthday from K2 and family for you. God bless. And may all your wishes come true. And so guys, let's begin this vlog. Let's see how it goes today.
See you. Peek. Good. Bless you. Have a nice day to school, okay?
God bless you, big girl.
Okay, good. Okay, करूँ को.
Okay.
बड़े करूँ से. बड़े करूँ. नाना यो कर.
Nana.
नाना यो कर.
Nana.
Pite, pisang ka nani masyad pisang ka.
नाना यो कर.
Ciao Piloy sir.
Hello.
Jailay.
क्या पिले कर बाबा? हाँ?
ऐसे तो नहीं होता है.
There's nice garden tables over here. Beautiful. It's a new kind of a parasol. I don't know. It's beautiful. It's not new. But I don't know how stable and good it's going to stay after winter. And Nadia is having a chill. Ma'am, can I get you some drinks?
Thank you.
No drinks? Guys, you know what? I like coming to B&Q or home base or anything. Any household things. I like to do things of my own. Nadia knows very well. I rather hardly hire any handyman to do my job. But we do ourselves at home. And this is a place you can buy things of your choice, anything that you want to do. Like wood, like other day I had to do a platform. I just got a wood from here and I did a platform. So much easier. I've got some tools, not big, but yes, what I can. What I'm not really confident in doing is electrical things and plumbing. Can't. See? Nadia, she gets crazy when she sees mirror. Anytime she goes next to a mirror, she wants mirror. Mirrors are her favorite. I told her I'll gift her a very nice mirror.
See, this one is nice.
I got a LED light also on that one. Beautiful indoor plants over here. So they're hanging money plants. They look really, really beautiful. Very nice. I love this ones. I like to see them growing like this, but I haven't got patience to garden. I can clean and give you, but no. Look at this money plant, really so big. I'll show you. That's from there. There's a really big money plant. 75 quids. Now I'm going in the garden center. Let's see what they've got here. It's beautiful down.
Strawberry super ज़्यादा लेना.
Strawberries? Hey there. And the strawberry plants.
See what I found.
There's a fine strawberries over here. See. See. Even here there is, see, they got some strawberries down here.
No, there's a ladybug.
Show me that. Ladybug. Oh,
It's yellow.
I'm very fancy about myself to see all this kind of things over here. Mostly like things that I can build myself or do things for gardening or home. And Nadia, she's different. I don't think she will see something or the other. Should be, I don't know where she is. Now let me see where she's gone. It's out behind. Let's see where she is. That's a boss. Hello.
What? Nice, no?
Yeah, it's nice. The price also is very nice. Thank you.
It's comfortable.
Every chair is comfortable. Come, let's go.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Zara cover. Which one? Oh, see this one's nice. That's nice.
गया?
Baby, kids hogla gaya.
बड़ा मेरा. Durpala I told her to keep. It was too expensive. I had just come to buy only one. She bought one extra. She wanted another one, and that one costing about like 28 quids. I said, not now, not in my budget. Yeah, everything is wow. See.
Varieties and buy them.
There is Logio Kolu.
Logio Kolu. Logio Kolu me. See, this is an apple tree here for a sale. Nice. And there is an apple. That's just trying to grow. Here you go. See? There are 3 apples on this tree. Very nice. If you have a nice big garden for yourself, you can buy one of those. And guess what is this? Bamboo. Konde.
Friends, kona gurmi bin zat zalenge se bre fena hai. Fena hai, AC hai. Very nice fans. Even air condition they have. Nice ones. Zale am gelen shopping. आता मोयते घरा.
So it's really hot today. I don't know how hot it is. I didn't even check. Oh, let's see how much temperature. 24 degrees. Yeah. But I want to ask you one thing, guys. Is it just me or I heard my dad saying this before, but I guess there's a lot of partners who have the same issues. The issue is this: when you're driving and your partner is next to you, even if you have a set name on your car, your partner guides you, brake mar rahe. Are side kaatti gaadi aata. Happens. My partner, she always. Baby, किती fast चल फुला गाडी. I mean, it's not. I can't express that feeling of. I want to put it out. Like anyone's wife is watching this,
they will understand. Yes, I do tell this to my husband, and I'm wrong in this. But any man who's watching, he say, "Sarkul lete baba." हम काय त्यांनी जातले.
The wives are never wrong.
ते तो झालं नाही. Universe knows. They've never been wrong for anything. Yeah, 100%. कैसे wrong जाबा जाएगा ना? तू किती lawyer आहे असो? Never.
Till and Mama are going for the party now, and we'll meet you later.
A few moments later.
Kisha, you want to eat ice cream? Ice cream?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
Ice cream.
Yes? Ice cream?
Ice cream say.
Say wow.
So guys, we come to McDonald's over here today with Keisha. Angel is not there because I've said you, Angel is gone for Our Lady. Angel, if she comes to know, she'll get mad on this. But yeah, usually we don't come to McDonald's. I don't encourage kids to have a lot of food from fast food centers. I'll tell you the reason of that. But yes, we've come to have ice cream because it's very hot. I'm going to get, Keisha is very fond of ice cream. You're going to see her. Ice cream yeah, treat Nadia treat barik rap kela. So that's it. Yeah. Enjoy the ice cream. Enjoy the summer. Look at this monkey. Yeah? Mugaya na? Mama gaya tayo? Huh? So, mama gaya. Mama digo. Malkirat?
Yummy? Yummy. More?
Kisha? Dada? Tu kaya aldenga?
This is nice, Nare Baba. No? Nice, no?
So friends, here we are. Today's vlog is been done. I hope you will enjoy this vlog what we have done. It's just a glimpse of here and there and just a bunch of happiness that we have collected. And thank you for being part of K2N family. It means a lot for us. And we will try to get us a lot of more content or a lot of more stories that we can collect, memories. This helps us build a lot of memories of us connecting to you. And we are very pleased with that. I'm very blessed to have you being connected to us. And before we end up this, we want to give a shout out to you guys. For a few of those guys who have given a lot of appreciation to our channel for the hard work that we take. There are many people who do right, especially for Angel. They have written for the Konkani song. They have requested. Yes, it is a task now making Angel to learn that Konkani song. And she's learning. She's trying to say that Aizani Sodankal. She sang, I think she knows words, but not really that. Yeah. But that's her favorite song. I think she's going to try to learn that song very well and come back to you all. And yeah, and so we're going to we're going to call up a few names for thanking them, especially for appreciating us.
On the last vlog.
On the last vlog, they have shown their love for us. Well, thank you. And they go.
So the first shout out is Josephine Clement. Thank you so much for appreciating us always.
Josephine Clement, she is constantly all the time. I see her. Josephine, thank you so much. Wherever you are from watching it, God bless you and your family. Thank you for that.
The second shout out is My Kitchen Stories. I guess this is Leander. Yeah.
Leander, yeah, the one.
Facebook.
Yeah. Guys, My Kitchen Stories, Leander, she's having a Facebook page for herself where she posts many of her vloggers or YouTubers, people who cook, just post on her page. It's a very famous page. Please do visit it. You'll get to see a lot of recipes that have been posted over there. Maybe one of the weekend special you all can try for you.
Yes. So the third shout out is Goan Girl 123.
I think so. She's Antoinette Fernandez.
Yes.
Yes, because why we know it's Goan Girl, because she has a page Goan Girl and known by as a Goan Girl because she is a MC, a very energetic girl, beautiful. She can pull out the crowd. So guys, if you want to check up for any of your birthday parties, wedding events, do see on Facebook. You will find a lot about her. Goan Girl. Thank you, Antoinette, Goan Girl, for always being supporting. Thank you for that.
The fourth shout out is Mrs. Mendes. I guess she's my cousin, Natasha. I guess so.
You can be a mom also. Huh? This is Mendes, Jenny Mendes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Whoever is
Yeah.
Mendes,
Thank you so
thank
much
you.
for your appreciation. And the fifth shout out is Annie Fernandez.
Annie Fernandez. Thank you, Annie Fernandez, for showing your love. And yes, we are so much overwhelmed with your love that you guys give us. Everything that you write for us, we can't express it honestly. Like, I did not know actually. Like, when we started after coming back that long,
Yeah, and we are going to hit 20K very soon.
and we are going to come to celebrate that with you guys. We're just having a countdown, and it is all possible because of you, that you guys have supported us, and we are going to that mile. I know that very soon we are going to be to that milestone where you all want us to watch. And yes, for now, thank you. We wish all the very good for you guys. God bless you.
Stay safe.
Take care. Bless your family. Blessing from K2N family. Until we do the next one and we come back again, our final word to say, adios.